Welcome to my YouTube channel and to my subscribers. Today we are going to talk about the most popular fishing pilks, jigs in Lofoten, what we normally use. We mainly use two types. I will show you. So if we start with these two, these are what we called svenskpilken, translated into English, the Swedish pilk. So you have this one and you have this one. So this is a very good pilk jig for fishing cod, skrei, and also coalfish. We normally use between 250 grams to 500, 600 with this one. What we also use is these ones. These ones are also very popular among the locals in Lofoten to fish with. Then we attach it above the Swedish pilk, approximately 1 meter. And sometimes it bites on this one and sometimes this one. But this is mainly used in Lofoten for skrei fishing, cod fishing, and also for the coalfish. Then we also have the traditional one, jigs. This is the storm jig, a smaller one, smaller type. As you see, this one is used. This one is the storm jig is very good also for skrei fishing, cod fishing, but we also use it for coalfish and also the halibut. So yeah, it varies also the grams. You can use from 200, 250 to and of course smaller ones, but I mainly use between 250 to 500. So here it is important that you attach on the back side here. On the back side here, not too much on the back, but approximately here, you attach a single hook. This makes it easier to catch the fish, because as you see here, the single hook here is approximately in the middle of the fish. But if you have one more in the back, you can hook the fish earlier, and also of course if it bites on this one, you have two hooks into the fish. So but it's important that you don't put it too much on the tail, because then it will affect how it is moving into the water. So this was just a short introduction about what we mainly use in Lofoten. And as you can see, it's only mostly used the two types for these three types of fish. So thank you for now, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.